When drawing out Bohr models of neutral atoms, this is an atom of carbon, you go to the periodic table and you look at the atomic number, which in this case for carbon is 6. So that means that carbon has 6 protons and the exact same number of electrons in a neutral atom. And then calculating the neutrons, you're going to take the rounded atomic mass, which is 12, and you're going to subtract the number of protons, which in this case was 6, and that means you'll get the number of neutrons, which is also 6 in this case. Okay, so let's label our Bohr model. Notice that we have a number of 6 protons in the middle. We have 6 neutrons also in the middle, in the nucleus. Those two things are included in the nucleus. And these black dots, I'll make my pen black here. These black dots here, these represent electrons. I want you to remember the 2-8-8 rule, okay? So we talked about the 2-8-8 rule a little bit. The 2-8-8 rule in a Bohr model, you start with our total in carbon, 6 total electrons. You fill in 1 electron here in the first orbit, second electron here in the first orbit. That's our 2 rule out of 2-8-8. Only 2 electrons can fit in the first orbit. And then, so we have 1, 2, and then you fill in the rest. This is the 3rd electron, 4th electron, 5th electron, and 6th electron. Up to 8 can fit in the second orbit. And again, this is our first orbit here. This is our second orbit here. We're not including the ring around the nucleus. We're not including that in one of the orbits. All right, that's how you create a Bohr model.